cardiac or heart conduction system contains the following specialized cells and nodes that control your heartbeat. The first node, we call it as sinoatrial node or SA node. The sinoatrial node is sometimes called the heart's natural pacemaker. It sends the electrical impulses that start the heartbeat. The SA node is in the upper part of heart's right atrium. It is at the edge of atrium near the superior vena cava. Sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system controls how fast or slowly your SA node sends electrical signals. Now the second node is the atrioventricular node or AV node. The AV node is located in an area known as the Triangle of Koch. This is near the central area of the heart. The atrioventricular node delays the SA node's electrical signal. It delays the signal by a consistent amount of time that is a fraction of a second. The delay ensures that the atria are empty of blood before the contraction stops. The atria are the heart's upper chambers. They receive blood from the body and empty it into the ventricles. The third part of the heart conduction system is the bundle of His. The bundle of His is also called the atrioventricular bundle. It is a branch of fibers or nerve cells that extends from your AV node. This fiber bundle receives the electrical signal from the AV node and carries it to the purkinje fibers. The bundle of His has two branches. The first one is left bundle branch. That sends electrical signals through the purkinje fibers to your left ventricle. And the second one is the right bundle branch. That sends electrical signals through the purkinje fibers to your right ventricle. Now the fourth and last part of heart conduction system is the purkinje fibers. The purkinje fibers are branches of specialized nerve cells. They send electrical signals very quickly to your right and left heart ventricles. The purkinje fibers are in the subendocardial surface of the ventricle walls. When the purkinje fibers deliver electrical signals to your ventricles, the ventricles contract. As they contract, blood flows from your right ventricle to your pulmonary arteries, and from your left ventricle to your aorta. The aorta is the body's largest artery. It sends blood from your heart to the rest of your body. Hope you have liked our video. So you are requesting to please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.